ManyChat is by far the best way to get more leads for your business, but I bet you didn't know it's also good to get more followers as well as leads and clients. And a lot of people don't actually understand the sequence that I'm about to run you through in this video, but it's going to allow you to get more followers. It's also going to allow you to get more leads. And if you don't know who I am, my name is James, owner of Magnify Your Content Media, and I help businesses like yours build content systems to save time and scale. And if you would like my social proof, just check the first link in the description and scroll down and you'll be able to see my social proof. But anyway, let's get into the video. And also, by the way, just before we get into it, the automation and the template for it will be in the description down below. So if you just want to download it, copy and paste it, it will be in around the second link. You can go and get that for free. Okay, now I want to show you the sequence that will not only get you leads and start conversations, but it will also 10x your followers. The normal way of using ManyChat is really simple. It's just to get people to comment a keyword, then they automatically send them over a free asset. But I bet you didn't know you could also make sure people follow you, otherwise they do not get that free asset. So this is key because it's going to increase your follower count without having to post more and more content. So the first step is really getting the asset ready, which you want to give to your ideal client. So let's just say, for example, I was actually the reason why I created this video is because I was setting one up for a client yesterday. And let's just do an example. If you're sending over an objection handling guide, for example, for a sales coach, you could create that guide, and then you want to create a script, a short form video script with the call to action at the end being comment, objection for my objection handling script, for example. That, or objection handling guide, and this is a trigger for the automation, and next after that all you have to do is set up the automation. So once you've got the guide ready, just an example, and you also create the video script, now you can set up the automation. But I would post the video first. But what we need to do is go over to ManyChat, which I am on here, and you're going to go down to automations. And to be honest, I would have the paid version for this one, which is around $15 a month, which isn't that bad. Going to go create automation, start from scratch, and then what we're going to do is we're going to set up the trigger, and this is when the person comments the keyword. So we're just going to click on a new trigger, and we're going to put user comments on posts or reel. And then you can select the post you want. For example, that's why I said post it beforehand. So I'm going to select this one here and press continue, and then add the keyword. Again, I'm going to use the example of objection for this one. So we're just going to put objection, then continue. I'm going to leave the random replies alone, but you can change them up. This is the reply when they comment, so they get a comment reply. So you can change them up and it does it randomly. Just press save there. And next what we want to do is go to Instagram here. So press on Instagram, and this is the send message. The first thing we want to do after they comment that keyword is message them and send them a message saying, did you want the free objection handling guide ? And then you're going to press new button, change the new button to yes. We're only going to have a yes. And the next step will be a condition. So most people don't know this, but you can condition the person to actually follow you. So what you're going to do next is make sure it says condition. You're going to add a condition and then follows your Instagram account. Okay, that's the first bit you want to do. And let's just do an example here. So for example, if the person follows you on Instagram, you're going to drag this over here, and then you're going to send them the free thing. So for example, here's the free guide, and then you're going to add a button and make sure guide, objection guide. And then what you're going to do for this is open website and then put the website link. So let's just say as well, you want to send people to a landing page to grab their email, for example, as well. You can put your landing page link here, or if it's just a guide, a docs, just put it in there and then press done. Next, we want to do if the contact doesn't match any of these conditions. So if they don't follow you, basically, what we want to do is press Instagram, and we want to say this is only for people who follow me. So follow me, then press button below. Then press add button and press now following, and we want to make it the next step condition. So again, we want to do the same thing. If they're following, add condition follows your Instagram account, you're just going to move it back to here. So for example, if they follow it, they're going to get the objection guide. Again, I'm going to move that over here so it looks a bit neater. And if they don't follow you, we're going to do another thing saying nice try. Nice try, we are tracking to see if you follow or not. Follow me, then press the button below to receive the guide. And then following now. And then again, we want to do condition one more time. Let's just say, for example, again, we're going to press on this, press condition, follows your account. And then again, if they follow you, you're going to drag it to here. And then if they don't follow you, you're just going to leave it because it's too many times that you've asked them to follow you. So what this is going to do is going to make sure people follow you. So you get more followers as well as leads. And also a quick tip is, with the free guide, I would suggest putting it in on something like a landing page, or if you don't want to use the follower automation, you can grab their email in their DMs automatically, and it adds it to your email list automatically. But the reason why I haven't added it to this sequence is because we're already asking them to follow us. Okay, we don't want to do too much in the DMs, but once they get to the landing page, they can put their email in. And also what you can do is, after the next step, for example, if you want to actually get leads for your offer instead of just giving them something for free, you're going to press next step. And also one more thing before we get into that, see this yellow circle here, you can drag that up and press add actions, and then you can add a tag, and the tag can be interested in more info about offer, for example, or you can add your own tag saying free objection handling guide. And this just makes sure people know that you know that you're interested. You know the people who are interested. So you can go down to this section over here, and then you can see what tag is. And if, for example, they don't go through the whole automation, you can go in there yourself and set them on a call that way. Then you're just going to do next step, which would be, I would say, smart delay. I would say wait 10 to 12 hours. I would say maybe even, yeah, I would say 12 hours. Then you can do next step, which is a message saying, hey, did you get the chance to go through the guide? And then what you can do is you can either press add button, or you can add a delay and create another message saying, just wondering, why were you interested in that free guide, for example. And yeah, I'm going to do that. So we're going to press delay, and then we're going to duplicate this, and then we're going to drag this down to underneath the delay, and then we're going to say, if you did, what did you think of it? Also, what made you want the guide in the first place? And then we can add a button saying, just was curious. And we can also add another button saying, interested in, for example, your offer. Well, the one that I set this up for, his offer is 2x in their close rate. So interested in 2x in my close rate. And then you can press Instagram. And what you can put in this one is nice. If you're interested in getting help doing that, click the link below for more info. And then the link below could be your landing page, it could be your website, it could be booking a call link, whatever you want to do. And this way it's just going to make sure they actually turn from cold lead to warm lead to an actual client. Okay, so that's the automation I wanted to run through, and this template will be in the description down below, as I said, in the second link, so you can get it, you can grab it for free. And yeah, this is just really simple to like 10x your follower account and also get more leads and clients for your offer. And all you have to do now is set live. And if you want to create a different keyword or a different guide, all you have to do from here is press duplicate up here, and it will duplicate it. And then what you would have to change is the keyword. You would also have to change the guide, and you'd also have to change this if it's not an objection handling guide. But yeah, I hope you got some value from this. If you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn how to get and if you want to learn how to lower your cost per call, if you want to learn how to lower ad spend, you want to become more profitable, and you want objection-free sales calls, and you also want to get 5 to 15 extra clients within 90 days, I think you would like this video up here. It's above here somewhere. It teaches you how to exactly do so. And yeah, go check that out if you're interested in that, and I hope you got some value from this, and peace.